Hey guys, welcome to my weekly earnings report for the Amazon Influencer Program. If you guys are not familiar with what the Amazon Influencer Program is, basically I have a profile on Amazon and I make Amazon review videos. So whenever somebody watches one of my Amazon review videos and actually purchases the product, I actually get a percentage of that commission. So that's what the Amazon Influencer Program is, and at this point, I am currently in week 7, so almost 2 months in the program, and things are going great. So, quick rundown: in week 1, I made $16. In week 2, I made $49. In week 3, I made $47. Week 4, $58. Week 5, that week was starting to drop down, made $29. And week 6 dropped down to $25. So currently my goal for the year of 2024 is to reach a monthly earnings of $500. So that is my goal for this year. If we could reach that, I need to make at least $17 per day. So as you can see, the closest I've gotten so far was week 4 when I averaged out to $8 per day. So in total, before this week, I had 126 videos posted, and for week 7, I added 5 videos. So currently, I have 134 videos on my Amazon storefront, and for week 7, I generated 460 clicks out of my 131 videos. Now, how many sales did I actually get? That is the magic number. So in week 7, I got 40 sales. So just compare it to previous weeks. So not my highest, but at the same time, it's just peering towards the lowest here. Last week I had a pretty low weekly sales at 30. This week I had 40. So going back up, which is good because people are saying Q4 is going to be your lower numbers because after Christmas time, people probably aren't spending that much money. So 40 sales, pretty happy with that number. And out of those 40 sales, how much commission did I make? I made $55. So that is actually a fantastic week for me. We averaged out to, again, $8 per day. So reached my second highest, or no, just my highest amount per day thus far. So we're getting towards our goal. Once we hit like the milestone of like averaging out to $9 and then $10, and then we're getting close. We're like almost halfway there to our goal. We just have to hit this number on a more consistent basis. But just going back to the totals here, so since I've been in the program, I've generated over 4,100 clicks. And since I've been in the program, I've gotten over 400 sales. And so far, my whole time during the program, how much have I made? I have made a total of $279, so almost $300 since I joined the program 7 weeks ago. So I think just as a side hustle that I have started less than 2 months ago, almost bringing home $300. And to be honest, not a lot of work is going towards this. I have like some products in my basement. I have it on a table, and I set up like a little thing that holds up my phone, and then I just talk about the product for 30 seconds to like 1 or 2 minutes, and then I have a editing program on my phone, and then I could just edit while I'm sitting on the couch watching TV, anything like that. So this program is super easy. If you guys haven't looked into it too much, I'd highly recommend looking into it. Amazon Influencer Program. I get nothing from you joining the program. If anything, it's actually a bad thing for me. More competition on the platform. But this is a great opportunity for me, for my family. So I just wanted to share this experience with you guys. If you're able to get in, you don't need a super large following. I've heard people with like TikTok accounts of like a few hundred getting in based off of like how much engagement they're getting. And I've seen on Facebook posts a lot of people have been joining in the year 2023, so I'm not sure if they're going to up that number for people joining the Amazon Influencer Program in year 2024. So looking forward to seeing how much I could grow this side of my business moving forward. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.